Marie. Oh, don't headbutt the camera. Gertie, purr. Gertie, purr. Gertie. Marie.
Right.
Yes, happy purr.
Marie.
And now there's a spot on the camera. Big wet nose spot. She wants to headbutt.
She headbutts my hand more than she'll headbutt my head. See?
You can hear Gertie purring too. Okay, gotta pause it and get the spot off.
Hello. Come here, Gertie.
Gertie.
Come here, Gertie.
Don't kiss the camera. I just cleaned it off once. I know. She wants me to love her. I'm sorry. There you go. I'm sorry, sweetie. Okay.
Good girl, Kboo.
Oh, Marie's ears turned over.
Did you fix it? Good girl.
Yeah.
Oh, you nice good girl. Oh, thank you.
Hi, you're asleep. Sleepy baby.
Hi, babies.
Oh, hi, Gertie. Kbutu's just, oh, Marie just headbutted Kbutu right off of her feet. Oh, hi. I know, you can probably hear her. What? You sound like Curry. Okay, hey,
You look
guys.
like Sophia.
Yep. Come, go back up in the picture. Go on. Hello, Kbutu. Go back up. Hi.
She doesn't want to be in the picture.
Nope, she doesn't. Just play with your jeans. She's trying to go up your pant leg.
Yeah, they do that. She's a little bit too big to do it now.
Where's Gertie? Gertie's trying to help. Marie. Okay. This is going to be a Marie video again. You're a camera hog. Yes, you are. You're a camera hog, sweetie. Oh, I know.